Hi traders. In this video, we are going to be talking about the buy and hold trading strategy. Buy and hold trading strategy is a long-term approach where you purchase an asset and hold it through market ups and downs, aiming to benefit from its growth over months or years. In this video, I will explain how buy and hold works, when traders use it, and the main pros and cons to keep in mind. At this point, I'll load a long-term chart example so you can see how the buy and hold position might look over time. I'm also going to load my moving average. Right, remember to allow the LL imports whenever loading an indicator. Alright, on the chart, a buy and hold position typically shows as a single long-term entry that remains open across multiple market swings rather than a series of frequent in and out trades. Traders often anchor their decisions to higher time frame structures and long-term moving averages, treating that line as a dynamic hold reference as long as price respects it. Let's say a trader could have taken an entry from this point, and then such a trader could have ridden out the moving average line up to this point where it then changes direction to the downside when they could have sold. So this can be considered a typical example of the buy and hold strategy. Now, what's the core idea and process? With buy and hold, you select assets such as currency pairs, stocks, or ETFs based on long-term fundamentals or macro trends, then hold them for extended periods, sometimes years, to capture more major directional moves. Instead of reacting to every short-term fluctuation, you focus on the bigger picture, keeping trading frequency and transaction costs low while allowing compounding and trend development to work over time. As for who is for and its limitations, buy and hold suits traders and investors who prefer a long-term, low-activity style, are comfortable with riding out drawdowns, and want to reduce the impact of daily market noise. It ties up capital for longer periods, can experience significant interim drawdowns, and is not ideal for those seeking frequent trading opportunities or high short-term liquidity. You can read more about the buy and hold trading strategy using the link in the description below. It's a straightforward but discipline-heavy approach that swaps short-term excitement for long-term trend participation and potentially smoother compounding. If you'd like more videos comparing long-term strategies with active trading methods, make sure you subscribe to the Forex Geek and turn on notifications.